The responsibilities of the Jungle King are many.
Help!
And George, being a good king of the jungle, never rests.
Time to relax with the new Mantler comic book.
George? George? I hate to be a bother, but remember when you said you'd mow our roof?
I'll do it!
I thought you already raked up these coconuts.
Oh, I was busy?
George, isn't it your turn to be the scarecrow in our cornfield today? This is not a good look for me. Yeah, and I thought you said you were going to wash all the sticky off the vines.
But I...
Come on, you guys. Let's go do something incredibly fun. See you when you finish your chores, George.
Oh! Go away! Oh, chores. You get him, Edler. That's using your head. Oh, make it rain with your own rain totem. Only 25 cents. Hey, then George won't have to do chores. Woohoo! My rain totem! George is gonna make it rain. To make it rain, 1, set totem on ground. 2, ask totem for rain. Oh, man, why do they have to make it so complicated? Oh, great rain spirit, whose sacred name is... Chuck? Chuck? Chuck! Make it rain!
What? What is it? Gosh!
I'm looking for Chuck, the rain spirit.
You got him.
Oh, great and mighty, Chuck! Make it rain!
You ever hear the magic word?
No. Oh, I've heard the witch doctor say, is that what you mean?
Whatever. Here. You're welcome. Gee.
Oh, Mantler, you're the funniest man with antlers ever. Yet so brave.
This rain is so not fair.
Yeah. Yeah. I sure do wish this rain would stop so I could do more chores.
We were gonna take you on a trip to Mount Way up there to go grass skiing.
Grass skiing? Oh, I love grass skiing. Shush. Ah, tree!
And then we were gonna go have dinner at the Pile of Nye.
The all-dessert restaurant?
Sorry, George.
Oh, Chuck! Chuck!
What? Jeez, I'm busy!
Yeah, listen, I was just thinking, could you maybe make it stop raining? Please?
Give me one good reason why I should.
Oh, well, see, my friends wanted to take me grass skiing, and,
Grass skiing? I love grass skiing! Can I come? I'll be your best friend!
Oh, well, Ape is already best friend.
Please!
Well, what do we tell my friends?
That you summoned the rain spirit to get out of doing your chores?
Yeah, no. How about you're my new friend Chuck from Detroit?
Your new best friend? Great! Let's go! Come on! New best friend?
It's the best.
Great. There's really no best
sorry.
friend. And grass things? George, we can take you on the surprise trip now. Yeah, let's go! Hiya, Red. How's that donut diet working out, Slim? Psych! Oh, that never gets old!
Who's that?
He's just some guy I know named Chuck.
that's cleared up. Let's go.
So, how about that Chuck, huh?
Yeah, he's something all right. Yeah, heck of a guy. So, who's up for ditching him?
Oh, wait! Maybe he's just nervous. Look at him.
Mine, give me that. More mine. Not yours, mine. Hey, no asking me to share. Hey, George, this is the best, right? Where'd everybody go?
Oh, they had to leave. Yeah, emergency. No, yes, nap time. They had emergency naps to take.
What does that mean? You think it was my fault they were always in my way?
It was kind of your fault. You were, you know.
What? I thought I was your new friend. You gonna take the side of your old friends?
Well,
No. Don't try to win me back now, okay? I know when I'm not wanted. You and your friends are all a bunch of phony baloney. I'm taking my pie-filled cake and my cake-filled pie, and I'm out of here.
you.
I heard that! Remember, I'm a nature spirit, which reminds me, I'm taking my reign back too!
Has anybody noticed that the water around here's been a little dry lately?
I've noticed. Come on, water. Come on, water. Come on. One more.
It's like the whole jungle's gone dry.
It doesn't make sense. This is supposed to be the rainy season.
Yep. Pretty dry.
Well, I better go do another dance for that bratty rain spirit, Chuck.
Wait, Chuck? The rain spirit?
The one George brought along on our trip?
The one we all ditched?
Yeah, the one who thinks you guys are all a bunch of phony baloney.
George! Well, there's no way Chuck's gonna help us now.
George will get water for everybody. Don't worry about a thing. Chuck! I'm sorry!
Well. If it isn't Mr. I don't need a rain spirit.
Hey, we're all real sorry for what happened.
Maybe in a few years, when you become, likable, we could all hang out.
Gee, you're all so sincere. I feel like a fool. If only I could make it up to you.
Oh, well, you could make it rain.
Yeah, I guess I could.
It's raining big, shiny hailstones.
Or that's a bowling ball.
You didn't say what you wanted it to rain?
We should be safe here.
Maybe I'll make a rain cheese dip next time.
Charles T. Rain Spirit, you get over here right now.
Uh-oh.
Where'd you put my bowling ball?
I was just playing.
You got chores to do.
I'm a rain spirit, not a chore spirit.
Charles, to your cloud right now. Don't make me come after you.
Oh, witch doctor, you're still gonna take me dancing, right?
You know it, Mother Nature.
Hey, let's all go inside and do something incredibly fun till the rain stops.
Yeah! Oh, first George has to rake up these coconuts. Ow! And bowling balls.
To live in the jungle, you must be cunning. Quick-witted. And very, very smart. Or not.
Have you noticed that Tuki has been acting strangely lately?
Uh-huh.
It's simple. Your Tuki bird is full of evil spirits. Luckily for you, I just had my evil spirits horn tuned up.
George, Tuki bird is suffering from a complex gastrointestinal bloating disorder.
Uh-huh.
He has gas.
Evil spirits! Gas! Evil spirits! Gas!
You started Bagpipes Day without me?
No, we're curing Tookie of evil gas spirits.
Boys, there's nothing wrong with Tookie. He's in love. With her.
Ooh. Huh?
What do you mean?
You mean little Tuki is in love?
Who could ever fall in love with a girl? George doesn't get it. I'm already your pal. What do you need a girl for? This new girl thing is gonna wreck our whole guy, ape, bird, two girls, and elephant thing.
It's love, George, and it makes people do the most wonderful things, like getting makeovers.
Ha! Tookie doesn't want a haircut. That's so funny, George will laugh right now. Ha! Ha ha ha! Ha 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 ha! Tookie?
That's the one! It's perfect.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Now, if you want her to notice you, you need to give her something to remember you by. Something a girl would really like. A fluffy kitten that never grows big, and its pink nose doubles as a pot of lip gloss. I was thinking more like a worm.
Give her this.
George of the jungle, I'm surprised at you. You're Tookie's best friend. Why aren't you being helpful? Everybody act normal.
Ursula, I found out that it's the natural behavior of the oo bird to select her mate based on who builds the strongest nest.
So if Tookie builds a strong nest, he's got a chance with her?
Right.
Whose side is Ape on?
Well, I'm on the side of nature, and in nature, you just have to go with whatever happens naturally.
Okay, Tookie. Big nest, okay? See? You build. Ah! Tookie! Ah!
Help?
Tookie.
Hey! Nobody laughs at George's pal Tookie. That was just a trial nest. Why, he's building the biggest nest this jungle's ever seen.
George, I'm really proud of you. I love it!
Once George had a plan, it was easy. Right, Ape? Ape?
Close the garage door!
George, question. Shouldn't the nest be in the tree?
Ready, everyone?
Ready up here! Oh dear. Oh.
Oh, silly me.
George, no!
Uh-oh. Yeah, that's good there.
Have you ever seen anything so romantic?
George saw two coconuts sitting together on the ground once. They looked happy.
George, I'm talking about real love. Look at Tookie. He is so happy, so in love, so blissful, so... Leaving?
Tookie? What's wrong? Why is Tookie hiding? But Tookie wants a girlfriend, right? To wreck all her good times, right? George doesn't get it.
George! It turns out that whoever the oo bird chooses for a mate, the other oo birds attack it to see if it can defend itself. George!
Uh-oh.
No. Uh-oh. Ooh.
Oh, uh-oh, ooh, yeah.
George!
George will save you!
Tookie.
Good idea! Ooh, ooh.
I just wanted to tell you what a sweet thing you did.
Help! Close the garage door!
Of the many terrors in the jungle, one is so horrible. It makes kings of the jungle weak-kneed. Jungle Cleanup Day!
Huh, the animals in this place are pigs.
George, pigs are usually very tidy. Just not during the playoffs.
Weird-shaped fruit. Ow! Not fruit.
A seashell?
What's a seashell?
Seashells are things people collect for some reason. If you hold a seashell up to your ear, you hear the ocean.
Hey, buddy, put me in your pocket nice and easy and act like nothing's wrong.
It's talking to me!
Yes, it's the sound of the ocean. Pretty neat, huh?
I said, put me in your pocket.
Habitat for 2 manatees is such a good cause.
Where shall we have them put the bathroom?
How about right here?
Yeah. What does Ocean want? Oh, really?
George spent all morning holding that shell to his ear. Where did he find a shell around here anyway?
It was just lying on the ground. I told him if he listened to it, he'd hear the ocean. George has never been to the ocean, but now, thanks to that shell, he knows what it sounds like.
Then you're gonna carve me a small, very comfy couch.
Comfy couch?
With a footrest and a maple dresser and a tiny hammock of the finest silk. And you know what happens if you don't.
George's head will fall off.
Right, and don't forget it.
George!
Can I help you?
We were wondering if you were gonna help us lift these rocks.
Oh, just a sec. Yeah. Uh-huh. No. Uh-huh. Okay. Only silk George could find was in Ursula's scarf. Can't take that. Oop! George going through a tunnel! I might lose you! Ah! Yeah, sure. Yeah, I know. Okay.
So, George, you must really like the sound of ocean waves.
Not waves. Ocean talks to George. Listen.
Whoosh. Whoosh. Whoosh.
See?
Get 120 feet of wood, 15 foot of rope, a brown bag lunch, and a root beer with a lid on it.
Hold on. Ape, do you have some paper? I have to write this stuff down. Oh, really? I can do that.
George! This rock's telling you to build my kid a tree fort.
Oh, hey, and this piece of bark's talking to me. Wait, it says, make me a 3-masted schooner out of Brazil nuts.
Great. Mocking turtle. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh! Hey! Ape forgot to set place for ocean. Uh-huh. Okay.
George, could you pass the potatoes? His hearing seems fine.
Right. No problem. Gravy?
Have you taken any bad falls lately, George?
Nope. Just crashed into lots of trees like normal. Eat quick. George has lots of stuff to make and build and sew and finish.
Oh, I think my spoon may be dirty. George, what do you think?
Looks pretty clean from here, but George has been very, very busy. Might not be seeing straight.
What George needs is a quick ear cleaning.
What he needs is the ancient wheel of snake teeth and pigeon feathers. 3 out of 5 witch doctors recommend it.
Get away from him, you primitive shaman!
Please, don't squeeze the shaman.
Hey, hey. Come on, let's go, go, go!
George followed all Ocean's instructions. What you want with this big springy thingy anyway?
No questions! Now double-check the coordinates and pull the lever.
Hey, you've got earrings just like Magnolia and a scarf just like Ursula.
Must be a fad. Everybody's got the same look. Pull the lever!
But, what about George's head?
What? Oh, yeah. Just keep it out of the sun and use conditioner. Your head will be fine.
Yeah!
George, have you seen my earrings? Or my scarf? Oh, somebody took them!
No, but when Ocean left, he had some just like them.
A seashell had earrings?
And you're saying the ocean left?
That's why George had to make Ocean the springy thingy. Did my head fall off?
George, we'd love to believe a seashell told you to build a catapult, but...
Do you think George is lying?
Oh, well, not lying.
No, George, just lying.
But for a good reason. Probably.
George is not a liar! Have to find Ocean. Make it tell friends that George isn't lying.
George!
So, this hawk flies me away from here and drops me in the jungle. The jungle!
Wow!
Luckily, I find this knucklehead who I can get to make me this deluxe furniture.
I do love this couch.
Thanks, Wobble Eyes.
Ocean!
Uh-oh.
Ocean! Ocean! Ocean!
Great. So in order to find George, we're going to climb into this contraption and fling ourselves to who knows where? Uh-huh. Let's get this over with.
Hello? Hello? Ocean?
Hey, George! Glad you can make it.
Oh, Ocean! Friends think George is a liar. I have to take Ocean back to show them I'm not.
Whoa, big guy. No more travel for me. Look, if everyone makes fun of you, why go back? Stay here. You can get me some berries and spiders. It'll be fun.
But my friends.
Hey, you don't want your head to fall off, do ya?
Berries and spiders coming up.
I can't see.
We're at a beach. It's covered with crabs.
You know how Mike and Betty Oyster always wanted to adopt?
Magnolia, your pearl earrings. Where?
All right, who ordered grapes? Who had the spiders? And who ordered the sea scum smoothie?
Hurry it up, Stretch. Are you gonna build us more furniture or aren't you? And sweep up this sand, huh? And hang up a sunshade, huh?
I don't believe it. Conniving crabs? George was telling the truth the whole time.
That's embarrassing.
Ape, get us over there, now!
Look, Ocean, George has done many things for you, and even though I don't want my head to fall off, you gotta come back with me and tell my friends that I was telling the truth.
No, I ain't going nowhere with you.
Crabs attack!
They're after my head!
You're not so tough now, huh?
Leave him alone.
jungle is angry. You must return George.
With my earrings and the scarf.
With the earrings and the scarf.
These trees walk pretty good.
Look, tree. We're just simple crabs with some nice furniture. What do you want from us?
When are you gonna tell George that it's us in here?
When we're a little closer to home. Mush! Or your heads will fall off.
On Rabbit, on Scaly, on Claudia, on Vixen, on Shelly, on Garnet, and all of the
The jungle is a place of mystery, with unanswered questions that boggle the mind. How does he do that? How do they eat that? What is that smell? And is he talking to a volcano?
How can you be bored? You're a volcano. Me? Why is this my problem? You what?
It boggles the mind.
I'm afraid his mind is already boggled.
More ink!
Oh!
Oh, we're worried about you, Daddy.
Don't worry about me. Worry about the volcano. He is not well.
Now everyone will believe me when I say you are a loopy chuckle brain. Ha! You missed. And only got 10 points.
Laugh all you want. The volcano is bored. In fact, just for fun, he's thinking of covering us all with lava and starting over.
Volcanoes do not talk. They do not get bored. They do not have feelings.
Unless we can find a way to cheer him up, he will explode.
Oh, George could tell him some jokes. Maybe do some magic. Observe.
George, I want you to gather together everyone in the jungle.
What are we gonna do, Daddy?
We are gonna put on a show.
Loopy chuckle brain.
Ow!
Now this you don't see in the city. Mankind and animals working together, putting on a show to make a mountain happy. No. Charles, you must go now. No, stay. Go. Wait. Stay.
Why is Magnolia telling that tree to leave? Tree, leave!
She's acting, George. It's where you change the way you talk and move.
And become a whole different person.
Ah! What did you do with Ape? Come back to me, Ape!
George, he's acting.
Ape! Oh, good acting. But I still think we should try telling the volcano some jokes.
Polly, you want a cracker? I want a cracker. Let's run off together and have a cracker.
Next!
Shouldn't we be just a little nicer?
Okay. Can you guess who this is?
Oh, do not wake me when I'm sleeping, or I become a horrible, horrible monster.
It's Ursula.
Next!
I just love bananas from above. We must be bananas to fall in love. Yeah! Cookie!
Volcanoes and gentlemen.
Next!
What's big?
Next!
Ugly?
Next!
Use lava?
Thank you!
And where's the pink dress? A volcano in a pink dress!
Don't call us, we'll call you.
They're gonna call me.
Magnolia, that is so great you got the lead part of the Volcano Princess. Do you think I got it because I'm the only one that fits the dress?
Sure. Being the director's daughter had nothing to do with it.
Must be some mistake. George not seeing George's name on the cast list.
George, there isn't a part for you.
But one of the main characters is the king of the jungle.
We cast that already.
Oh, gotta let George be in Volcano Pageant.
George, I had to pick who I thought could save the jungle best.
Nobody saves the jungle better than George. Can't I do something?
No.
Aha! Hey, I can even be guard number 6. How about it? Hey. Please.
Oh, Woody. Well, all right.
Creatures of the jungle, do you not tremble at my scariness? George! George!
Polly wants the stretcher.
Oh, Woody.
Do you dare to challenge me to a fight?
Guards! We got something new for you to do in the volcano pageant.
Really? What is it?
Sit in the audience.
And play the part of the guard in the audience?
Yeah.
Yay!
The show's about to start. Shouldn't you be sitting in the front row?
Too nervous. What if George forgets not to say one of his lines he doesn't have?
Oh, you'll be fine.
Right. Good luck, everyone. Oops. Sorry. Good thing Swollen Ivy there to break your fall.
What? My legs!
We have to cancel the show.
We can't cancel the show.
Well, I can't go out there like this.
Ursula, you'll have to play the princess.
I don't know the lines.
Oh, George sat through all the rehearsals. George knows the princess's lines.
You do?
So, can George be Volcano Princess?
Absolutely not. Do you want the red wig or the blonde one?
Greetings, gentle jungle creatures. It is I, the beautiful Volcano Princess, here to dance for you.
This is embarrassing.
The volcano is not entertained. Well, what do you want? You want it scarier, funnier? Just tell me. Tell me what you want already. You got to be kidding.
This is too dangerous.
George can handle this.
I just can't believe he looks better than me in that dress.
Okay, George, go for it.
Oh, mighty and powerful volcano.
Oh, we're doomed. It's working.
Oh, well, if you think that's funny, listen to this. Why did the villagers wear red running shoes? To run away from the lava? Hey, that joke is hot, huh? Oh, wait. Who's this?
Arr! I'm bored! Arr! I'm gonna explode!
Thank you. Whoa!
George!
Okay, what do you get when you cross molten rock with an iceberg? Good one!
How much longer is this gonna go on?
Until the volcano says to stop.
Okay. Did you hear the one about the pig who didn't want to build his own house? So he hired a boa constructor. Okay, go on. Okay, knock.